What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to open a Hyundai Palisade if the battery dies in it. This procedure is going to be similar to what you need to do if the battery dies in your key fob, but if you have a dead key fob, there's actually one extra step that you need to take, and we've covered that in another video. I'll put a link to the video for a dead key fob in the description box of this video. But for this video, we're going to take a look at our Palisade having a dead battery in the vehicle itself. And the first thing we need to do is to get the emergency key out of the bottom of our key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back, and then the emergency key will slide out like that. Once we have our emergency key out, we're going to take a closer look at the door handle on the driver's door. So once you have your emergency key out that we got in the previous shot, you notice that there's no key cylinders on the vehicle. There's no lock cylinders. And there actually is one, it's just tucked behind this door handle. So we're looking at the driver's door handle. What we need to do is pull the handle out like this, and then you're gonna get your finger behind here and you'll feel a little bit of a slot, and you're just gonna push on it. And as you do that, it pushes this cap off. So what was happening there is there's a circle right here, and I just got my finger in there and pushed like that, and it pushes this cap off. It can come all the way off, or it'll just kind of hang on this piece like this. And then once that cap's off, we can see that key cylinder right there. So now that this cap's removed, we can take our emergency key, put it in this key cylinder, and we're going to turn it to the left or counterclockwise to unlock it. And the battery's not actually dead in this vehicle. I'm just going through the demonstrations. But once your vehicle is unlocked, let's take the key out of the door cylinder. Go ahead and put it back in your fob just so we don't lose it. Then we can open the door, come down here and pop the hood. And you can charge the battery or change the battery, whatever you need to do. The last thing I want to show you guys is how to put this cap back on. So let's take a closer look at this. So if we take a look at this cap, you'll notice one side has a straighter piece and one side has a smaller kind of a hook piece. That hook piece needs to go on the left, and that's the side that you need to start in first. So start the left side in, and then the rest of it will just pop on there like that. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.